Hi guys, this is Ivy with WTI, and today I wanted to share with you my new favorite brand of flushable wipes. These Goodwipes Flushable wipes, ever since I've started to use them, I have not gone back. They are so good. I love, for starters, that they are actually flushable, so you don't have to worry about any trouble when you're flushing these wipes down the drain. I also love that they are plant-based, so I don't have to worry about any allergies, any kinds of irritation. These wipes are also hypoallergenic, so they're great for people with sensitive skin. Less is always more, and that is so true about these Goodwipes flushable wipes. I absolutely love the extra large size, so one wipe is enough for a one-time use, and you don't have to worry about wasting your entire pack and having to go buy more. As you can see here, I am comparing the wipe to my hand size, and as you can see, it is pretty big. And I also love that there are 60 wipes in each pack, so there is enough to go around for a really long time. These wipes are also so soft. I really like the texture because it is soft but it's firm, so you don't have to worry about the wipe tearing away. And last but not least, the fragrance is delicious. I've never had wipes that literally smell like fresh roses. They are honestly the best. These Goodwipes are the full package. They're hyperallergenic, they're safe to use, they're flushable, and they smell great. I recommend them to anyone, but that is just my point of view.